It's 4 past the hour. I'm Leah Harding in Gainesville. No matter how the GOP presidential horse race may end up, vice presidential candidates are still missing from the picture. On the short list of VP possibilities is Florida Senator Marco Rubio, though even he says he will not be running. A local law firm will be monitoring the work of St. John's Water Management District as it considers the Adena Springs permit request in Marion County. A cattle company is requesting to pump 13.3 million gallons of water per day from the aquifer. Director of Litigation for Southern Legal Counsel Neil Chonin says these concerns are not just local, but affect the whole state.
Our water resources are being eaten up by large users, and the impact that these groundwater withdrawals are having on our state.
Chonin adds they are in the process of interviewing hydrologists to serve as experts on the pending legal case to make Adena use less water. More nights of heavy fog are forecasted near the Farmers Bay fire and may continue for several months. Both the Farmers Bay fire and the Lake Bryant 14 fire started in March, and smoke from the fires mixing with the fog creates a deadly mix. Wildfire specialists are encouraging residents to use caution while driving by slowing down, using their windshield wipers, and driving with their low beams on. The fog is expected to continue unless there is a significant rainfall in the area. Your forecast from University of Florida meteorologist Jeff Huffman. Tomorrow, showers likely in the morning, then breezy and partly sunny in the afternoon with a high near 80. You're listening to Florida's 89.1 WUFT-FM. I'm Leah Harding in Gainesville.